Everyone, welcome to Mobile Maths with Kamchran. Today I want us to look at solving equations number 2. Okay, so when we have a problem like this, what we do for us to get the value of x, we can divide both sides by 4. Okay, like this. So if I say 4 into 4, we get 1, 1. Okay, so this side will remain with an x, then is equal to 4 into 20, we get 5. Okay, because 4 times 5, we get 20 there. Okay, so our x value is going to be equal to 5, like that. That's how we do that one. Let's move on and have another example. Okay, this one is also similar to what we had before. It's only that our x is on the right side. So for us to remain with x, we also divide by 3 there. We are going to divide what we do on the left side, we do on the right side. So if I divide these 3, will cancel off each other and will remain with an x there. Then 3 into 4 into 12, we get a 4. Why? Because 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Okay, so our x is equals to 4. We cannot write our answer like this though. So we are going to say our x is equal to 4. This is the proper way of writing it. Okay, let's have another example. Okay, this one is now a bit different. So for me to remove these 2 here, which is on the bottom or on the denominator, I'm going to multiply by 2 over 1 everywhere. So I'll multiply here by 2 over 1. I'll multiply here by 2 over 1. I'm saying by 2 over 1 so that you understand. Otherwise, it's the same as multiplying by 2. So when I multiply by 2 over 1, these will cancel off each other and will remain with an x here. And when we go to this side, we can simply say 5 times 2. It's over 1, right? So we just say 5 times 2, we get our 10 there. So our x there is equal to 10. Okay, let's move on to the next example. Okay, so this example is similar to the one that we just did. We said we multiply by 9 over 1 or by 9 over 1. Okay, like that. So when we do this, these will cancel off each other and will remain with an x there. Okay, now 4 times 9, what do we get? We get 36. So here we'll have 36 there. Okay, but this is not the proper way of writing our x. So our x is equal to 36. Okay, like this. This is the answer there that we do. Okay, now let's have another example. Okay, this time we have got our x on the denominator there. So we can multiply both sides by x. Even if you say x over 1 is the same thing, so I can even use x this time so that you understand that these things are the same. Then here times x again. So these x's here will cancel off each other and will remain with is equal to 7 times x. We get 7x then. Okay, so to remove our 7 there, we are going to divide by 7. Divide by 7. Okay, such that the 7 here and here, they cancel off each other when we remain with the x here. Then 7 into 28, we get a 4. So our x is equal to 4. But this is not the proper way of writing our x. We say our x is equal to a 4 like this. Okay, let's have one more example. Okay, this one I'm going to use 2 methods, the balancing and the other way. Okay, so I can balance off this side so that this becomes a positive. So I'm going to say plus x here, and I also say plus x that side. So I'll have 8 plus x is equals to 9 minus x plus x. Okay, so this will give us a 0 there and will remain with a 9. Then this side we have got 8 plus x. Okay, like that. Now I'm going to remove my 8 here. This one is like plus, so I can simply say plus 8 minus 8 plus x is equal to 9 minus 8. I've added a minus 8 here. I've added minus 8 both sides. Okay, it's just the same way I did for plus x there. Okay, so having that, I can get here on the left side, I'll get a 0 and remain with an here. So I have x is equals to 9 minus 8, we get a 1. Okay, so this is the first method that we have there. I can simply have the same problem worked in a different method. 8 is equals to 9 minus x. Okay, like that. So what I'm going to do here is this. I'm going to have my x going this side, and as it crosses this equal sign, it becomes plus x. Okay, so I can have 8 plus x is equals to 9. Okay, now I'm going to shift now the 8, which is plus this side, to this side, and when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes a minus. Okay, so we will remain with x is equals to 9 minus 8. Okay, then when we do that, we will remain with 9 minus 8, we get a 1. So our x is equal to 1. So you choose the method that you find is easier for you. Otherwise, bye bye guys. Remember to subscribe on our YouTube channel. Bye bye.